With time, you might find that the mast clamp either tightens up or loosens up on your Pathfinder turning leg caddy. It's a very easy adjustment. So if it's too loose, what you need to do is tighten it down here, and there's a nut on the bottom that needs to be captured so it doesn't keep turning around. Easiest way to do this is fold the mast down, then take a knife or a screwdriver to hold the nut right there. And to make it tighter, just turn in the clockwise or right direction. That'll make it tighter. If you'd like to make it looser, do just the opposite. Put the screwdriver in there or a knife to hold the nut, and then turn it counterclockwise or to the left. So you can see that's much looser now.